Okay, I planted a little course for timber this evening down in the woods. So we got 3 antlers in here. So we're just gonna sit her down here. You ready? Find the ball. She smells one. Or maybe that's where one was before. Find it. Find it, Timber. Yeah, she smells one. Find it, Timber. Find it. Find it. Good. Fetch it up. Fetch it up. Good. All right, let's go. Find a bone. Find a bone. Find a bone, Timber. Let's go find it. Find it. Find it, Timber. Let's go. Find a bone. Find it. Find it, Timber. Find it. She's acting birdie. You can see her body language. Find it. She's still figuring out how to use that nose right. Find it. Find it. Good girl. Good. Right here. Good dog. Good. Good retrieve. Let's go. Find a bone. Find a bone. Let's go, Timber. Find it. Find it. Find it, Timber. Find it. Good girl. Very good. Good girl. Look at that tail. Good girl. Good girl. Fetch it up. Fetch it up. Yes. Good. 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 You ready? Oop. Wonderful. Here. Get that bone. Good girl. Good girl.